Hello everybody. I told you guys I believe in the information I know about Forex. That's the most important stuff. You've been watching me build this account with the USD ZAR for the whole week now, from 270 to 1000 plus in a week. Look at that. Let me show you the trades for the USD ZAR that I closed. Oh, I'm trying to show you guys empty history. I don't know why. Let me try that again. All history ish. Okay, nonetheless, you see, I'm trying to improve my fundamental approach with combining it with the trading the low and the highs of the day. Hence I've been doing this. Let me give you guys a tip. When there is news like NFP, you know that NFP normally moves about 30 pips or so, and now let me close these trades, man, before. But I know that let me close them. Before things get messed up here. You see, I was at $1,000. Now I'm back to 800. Nonetheless, profit is profit, guys. Profit is profit. Profit is profit. This account, I've been building it from $200. Yesterday it was at 500. I closed the USD trade that I was on a short. And today, when I saw that, oh, they were contraring against what? The high of the week. I entered again and scalped the market after the news. I mean, that's what it is, guys. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. Signing out.